Ready to prove you're the king of nature trivia? Let's test your brain with 10 wild questions. Grab a pen, keep your score, let the quiz begin. 1. Which animal is the largest land mammal? A rhinoceros. The elephant. C. Hippopotamus. D. Giraffe. Two. What is the fastest land animal in the world? A lion. B. Kangaroo. C. Cheetah. D. Antelope. Three. Which part of the plant makes food? A. Roots. B. Stem. C. Leaves. D. Flowers. Four. How many legs does a spider have? A. 6. B. 8. C. 10. D. 12. Five. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. Six. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? D. Parrot. C. Pigeon. D. Crow. Seven. What do pandas mainly eat? A. Fish. B. Grass. C. Bamboo. D. Leaves. Eight. Which planet is known as the red planet? The Earth. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. Nine. Which of these animals is a marsupial? A. Kangaroo. B. Elephant. C. Monkey. D. Tiger. 10. Which tree is known for having acorns? A. Pine. B. Maple. C. Oak. D. Birch. Eleven. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years? Snail. B. Bear. C. Sloth. D. Koala. Twelve. Which bird is known for mimicking sounds, including human voices? A. Crow. B. Parrot. C. Eagle. D. Owl. "13. What's the tallest type of grass in the world? A. Bamboo. B. Wheat. C. Sugarcane. D. Corn. "14. How many legs does a lobster have? A. 6. B. 8. C. 10. D. 12. "15. Which animal has the strongest bite force of any living creature? A. Lion. B. Grizzly bear. C. Saltwater crocodile. D. Hippopotamus.